ka Jingmaramot ka badang yai beteng ya ka Umiam dam la ban Pyndep ha ka Taiew Bakut Jong Jylliew lani ha ka Taiew basdang Jong unaitung kumjo ru la sedang bantre ya ki ju ki Jingmaramot ha mintru leshka bat tro dam Menteri badai pet ya ki kam boarding UAT mandal ula benrap halor ke jing slam ban Pyndep ya ke Jingmaramot da ka baong bakilabu jingkhen ban Pyndep ha ubenai naitung ula ong shu ru bakam hashwa kilamut ban siang da ka bitumen surface henry larai pat hadin ban siang da ka RCC surface ya ka ba kan shimpor sa kumba arpu prasngi bakan rekyang.
Not so much time. Actually, earlier we thought that it should be finished by June. Now, as you know, that earlier idea was that bitumen surface will be laid. Now, they are asking that we should go for RCC surface. And RCC surface, what happened? The difference between bitumen surface and RCC surface is that in bitumen surface, when you lay the surface, vehicle can go. There is no problem. But in RCC, you got to give that curing period of around 28 days. So that's why the time is required. Additional time is required. New deadline, we are targeting that July end or first week of August, we should finish it.
Returning officer Jong Parliamentary